This is our lemon trees. You can see Rudra Babu with 2 lemons. We get vitamin C from lemon. So thank you, Rudra Babu. Right now in a boat. You can see the boat on the shore. Amazing boat. This is old Brahmaputra. Two male river, one Kopotako and another was and on another is a Brahmaputra.
Oh, you know, Johnny.